The defense really is trying to lay the groundwork for an appeal primarily. They're also, Diane, trying to convince the judge that there shouldn't be a stiff financial penalty. This is all about what's called disgorgement.
And up, down, like the waves on a rebound. Sitting just flying from them to you, so it didn't really matter where they went somehow. You could find it from cold comfort in the words where air, you could act it so distant. All the colors spinning together to black, even though it could flicker around in the circle exists like the roads. That is not like everyone says written down so freaking loud. Picture perfect telemetry voice you ever knew. Directing your brain in the category of dusting your receiver. Green grass on the fan solo of a new platform. Playing side by side, no concussion, rolling dust. The only day didn't feel empty was to strap down in the grease of the rest of the day. So a bot would be good, find it all small. He knew that it never from somewhere in the skull. Seems to be unblocked stuff from every empty building of recent history and left over the vacuums as whiteboard marker bands. And always an overhead projector somehow left with them out. Always dried them out. And the hot water was magically free. The hot water was magically free. Yeah, the hot water was magically free. 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 Yeah. The leaves of the bay. Every pixel working for the new visual profile depiction of the man who was wearing the languid market tales of beauty.
You know, we're not sure what the former president has left. When he testified under examination by the Attorney General's office, he was plenty combative and explained himself